doing well. So I'm in my kitchen today because I'm doing something a little bit different on my channel. I'm just doing some arts and crafts, and I thought I would just film a quick video because this is a really easy little craft for you to do, and I think they're such nice gifts for people. But they're little lavender fairies, and they look like this. This one I made a few days ago now, so it's actually dried out, but it still smells very nice. So I was just going to make another one because I'm making a few just to give to gifts as people, give to people for gifts, and I thought I would show you. So the thing as well that I like about these is obviously once the lavender dries out and no longer smells, you can just make another one and you've already got your little person and the ribbon pre-cut. So I got these beads from eBay. They've got like little faces on them, and I think a pack of 10 was about £2 something with postage, so not much at all considering you can just keep reusing them over and over again. And then I think the ribbon I got from a charity shop and it was like 99p, but obviously you can go for any colour, any sort of ribbon. I just liked this one because it sort of matches the lavender. So I've only ever tried this with lavender. I'm sure you could probably do it with something else like rosemary or another herb that's similar, but I've just gone out to my garden and cut some lavender. So I'm gonna just start threading it through the bead, and this is literally like so easy to do, and then if I need to add more I will, but I've been gifting these to people because I just think they smell lovely, and they're just a nice little gift for people to receive really. So I'm just going to try and thread. I mean, you probably don't need as much as I'm using because I've still got some left over, so I can probably make another one, but you just thread it through like that and it looks like a little dress. And then what I do is, from all the things that I've cut, I find the longest piece and then I'll just cut these little ones a bit shorter, so you can't see them, so they're hid behind the ribbon, just like that. And then I'll get this long piece, I probably trim it down ever so slightly actually, not too much, and then I'm going to use this as the hanger for the fairy, and you just thread that back through like so, and then get your thread, your ribbon of choice, and you literally just tie it into a bow. But because obviously this is pre-cut, because I've already used this, I'm hoping that the bow shouldn't be too bad to tie and should look quite even, but we shall see when I tie it. Just need to make it a bit tighter actually. Probably should have done the camera down this angle so you can see what I'm doing, but I'm literally just tying a bow and just zhuzhing it out a bit. Like so. I mean, this one's probably slightly smaller than the one that I made, so the ribbon does look a bit longer. So I might just even it out slightly, but other than that, that's basically it. And they're just so easy to make, but I just think they make really lovely gifts and they smell amazing. And I've been making them for friends and family, but then I've also been making them for myself and just hanging them around the house as like a natural air freshener. But they look lovely even when they're dried out. So yeah, that was just a very quick video. I just thought it was a very cute craft to share. I can't take credit for it. I did see it on TikTok, but I thought that was a really sweet craft to share, so I wanted to share it with you all. But I really hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.